Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will introduce to everyone the feature of increasing views for TikTok livestream extremely quickly using MKT Tikro software. First, the software will help you manage many different TikTok accounts. Everyone chooses the seeding livestream feature in the viral marketing section. Next, everyone will enter their livestream link into the software. Here, I will take any live stream link on TikTok to demo for everyone. I will copy the link of this live stream and paste it into the software. The software will have installation parameters. I will guide you specifically when you register the software with me and ensure the software works smoothly. And finally, you just need to select the TikTok account and press start for the software to work. The software will automatically access the live stream session through the link you provided and will increase the number of views on that live session. You can even set the software to automatically comment on the live session. It will help your live session become more trending and sell more products. If you are interested in the software, please contact me. I will support you.